in court today?
Well, as everybody knows, that today the CCC versus CCC-Tshabangu matter was being heard. Both parties have made arguments, and one of the things that is clear from what has happened in court is that there are two constitutions. One that CCC-Tshabangu has brought in his opposing affidavit, and the other one that has been brought by the purported CCC in their answering affidavit. So the court must make a determination on those two constitutions. Which one carries the day? It's a mountain high task to climb.
Are you confident you make it?
Indeed. We are very confident.
They argued that Tshabangu is not part of CCC, and your argument regarding that?
They say he's an imposter.
Well, that argument has been ongoing, and I don't think it's going to stop anytime soon. The court must make a determination on that, but you just cannot just but allege for the sake of it. You have to present evidence into it. One of the things that they have done, and successfully so, is not to prove that he's an imposter.
In terms of the constitution that you presented, where was it generated? Where was it formulated? When did you come up with it?
Well, if one has read the opposing affidavit, it's detailed. Like I said yesterday, 187 pages. All these things started on the 21st day of February 2022, when the MDC rebranded itself into CCC. CCC did not come from the blue. It moved from MDCA into CCC. So that's where the genesis of everything came. That's where all these office bearers came from. That's why even Nelson today will say that, look, I'm the president of the party. If one would want to be sincere, I don't think there's anyone who has voted him to be the president of CCC in an election within CCC. So there was a process that led to that. And it is that process that gave birth to all these other office bearers. Now, there is this issue about the Beru changes, the Berus for this and that and that. This is something that is cropping up just because certain individuals are trying to run away from a certain position.
So Tshabangu is not an imposter?
Not at all, not at all.
Who appointed him to be the interim SG?
Like I'm saying, there was a process that came from point A to point B, and it's detailed in the notice of opposition. No one has been appointed to be what they are, but there was a process that led to what everyone claims to be today, as much as Nelson Chamisa is.
So Tshabangu went through that process?
Yes.
Yes, we appeared before Justice Tshabangu arguing our matter where CCC is alleging that Tshabangu is not its representative official. He has no authority to represent it in any forum. He has no authority to recall any members elected on a CCC party ticket from Parliament or Council. So that application was opposed. Of course, that is why we're there for hours arguing, trying to place our case before the judge. And after hearing argument from both parties, the judge said this is an important matter which deserves more time for him to go through the submissions and the papers filed with record before delivering the determination. So the judgment was reserved.
So when is the judgment?
It was reserved. It can be anytime soon. It can be released tomorrow, a day after tomorrow. We can't really tell. That's the meaning of it being reserved.
What are your arguments?
I won't get into details because I don't want to appear to be re-arguing the case as well as influencing the court. But our argument is very simple. We don't know Tshabangu. We don't know where he comes from. He must go back to that area that he comes from. He doesn't belong to CCC. In essence, that's our argument.